Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update applications on your DYON Movie Smart TV. The VIDAA system that is installed on your TV updates your applications automatically from time to time. But if you want to check manually for an available update of your application, you're gonna have to first make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, and then open the App Store on your TV and find the application in question in this app. So, for example, we have Prime Video app installed on our TV, and let's say this application requires an update. You know, if there is an update for this application, then we will see update option available instead of open, and then we're just gonna have to click on it and wait until this application is updated, and after that we'll be able to open this application and continue using it. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.